Solve the equation where x belongs to R. At this moment, I encourage you to pause the video and solve it by yourself. Okay, I'll solve it now. First, I'll write domain. Because of log base x, x has to be positive, and also x cannot be equal 1. That's domain. Now, log x, I write slowly, 5 root 5, so 5 times square root of 5 will be just 5 slowly. 5 is just 5 to the power of 1 times square root of 5 is 5 to the power of 1/2 minus 5 fourths, and this is equal log with base x, square root of 5 I will write as 5 to the power of 1/2 and everything squared. My next step will be log x. I have base the same when I multiply 5 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 1/2. I add powers, so this will be 5 to the power of 3/2 minus 5 fourths, and this is equal, at this moment I will put 5 to the power of 1/2. I will put 1/2, I can put 1/2 in front of logarithm. So this will be 1/2 log base x of 5, and everything is squared. My next step, I'll put 5 to the power of 3/2. I will put that 3/2 in front of logarithm. So 3/2 log base x 5 minus 5/4. Now I have to square right side. This is 1/2 times logarithm, so I will square both things. 1/2 squared will be 1/4, and I will have log x 5 squared as well. I can write it like that. At this moment I have just log base x of 5. I will make substitution. Log x 5, this will be my t. So now I have 3/2t minus 5/4, and this is equal 1/4 t squared, because I have log squared. I don't like to have fractions, so I will multiply everything, both sides, by 4. So then 3/2t times 4, this will be 6t, minus 5, this will be equal t squared. I will move everything to the right side, would be t squared minus 6t plus 5, and this is equal to 0. Now I'll just factorize quadratics. C is 5, b is minus 6, that's why this will be t minus 1 times t minus 5 equals 0. So because of quadratic, t minus 1 has to be 0, or t minus 5 is 0. So t is 1, or t is 5. Now substitution back. What was my t? My t was log with base x of 5, and this has to be 1, or log x 5 is equal to 5. Now from the definition of logarithm, I know that x to the power of 1 has to be equal 5, or x to the power of 5 is equal to 5. So first one, x is just 5, and from second I will take, to calculate x, I will just have to take fifth root on both sides. So x is equal fifth root of 5. I could check domain again, but domain was x is more than 0 and x is not 1, which is true. That's why we have two answers. X is 5 or x is fifth root of 5. Do not forget to check my other math video problems and to like and subscribe